My name is Grant Boyd, and I work for the O'Brien Law Firm. The primary focus of my practice is assisting violent crime victims as well as sexual abuse victims, and focusing on representing childhood sexual abuse victims. I fell into this area of law when I was working at a different firm where I took on a child sexual abuse victim case where a couple kids were raped and molested in an in-home neighborhood daycare. And they had had multiple other attorneys that looked at the case and said that there wasn't really anything that they could do. And it just, after reading the therapy notes and the police reports, it just kind of struck a chord with me. It made me kind of look back on some things that happened to me as a child where I was sexually abused as well, and acknowledge that and realize that this is not just my profession, but that it's personal to me. And that's why it's so important to me to do this. And that's why this became my focus, because it is my why. It's important to find someone that focuses on this area because it's so nuanced, not only with the law, but with the emotional dial-up and the emotional things that come with it, as well as the different facets of it. Assisting crime victims and sexual abuse victims has the potential to implicate so many different areas of law that we don't really always think about if we're a general practitioner. We may just kind of be on a one track of, well, this is civil litigation. But with crime victim and sexual abuse victim work, you're looking at things like helping them with their crime victim rights and criminal investigations and the criminal case. You're looking at helping them with orders of protection and orders of protection law. You're looking at, of course, civil litigation, but you're also looking at insurance coverage law as well, because there's often a fight with that. And you're also looking at just how to help the client emotionally within your professional realm. People don't really recognize the impact of being a crime victim or a sexual abuse victim. It permeates so many different layers of someone's life. Having someone that understands that can anticipate it, that will be there to help guide you through that, and to reassure you that, hey, listen, we know how to do this. We've been through this before. Everything's gonna be okay. You wouldn't go to your general care practitioner for heart surgery, you'd go find a heart surgeon. I'm a big believer that attorneys should be that version of a heart surgeon for their clients, because especially in cases like this, they're so important. In any case, you should be as close to a heart surgeon as you can be. When you're able to deliver a different type of relationship for the clients and a different type of connection to them, and more of a bespoke and individualized approach where you can dedicate individualized time to that person, sit down, talk with them, that is what I would say the difference is between us and certain other firms. Is we are doing things to help you on a multitude of things that aren't necessarily just, hey, can we make money, or, is there money in it for you? These people already feel taken advantage of based on the circumstance they're in, the horrific events that they've experienced. The last thing they need is some attorney they feel is just trying to take advantage of their situation and monetize it, and that's the only thing they care about. And we care about the people involved. We care about their well-being and making sure they're getting everything that we can help them with. And that's the difference, I think, is that bespoke, individualized approach.